friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw a Spiderman Squishmallow. So first we're going to get started with drawing in the shape of our body. So we're going to start in the center towards the top of our page. And we're just going to curve this line around and then out towards the left. And then starting back on this line in the middle, we're going to again continue to curve this line around and then down on the right. Starting from this line again on the side, blending this in together, we're going to curve this line down and then in towards the side. And then we'll do the same thing over on the right. Now we're going to start back on the left, bringing this line around and then in towards the bottom. And then now we're going to move over on the right hand side, curving this line around and then in, ending that at roughly the same height. Now from here on the bottom, we're going to flatten this line out, curving this line in and then over towards the center. And then we're going to do the same thing starting on the right, bringing this line over and then in towards the middle. For the bottom portion, we're going to curve this line down and then in. And then we'll move over, lining this up at roughly the same height, and we're just going to replicate that over on the right. Now from here, we're going to arch this line down towards the bottom. So we're going to curve this line in. And then now from here, we're just going to close this off, curving this line in towards the center. And then we'll do the same thing as we move over on the right, and we're just going to blend that in so it ends at the same height. Now let's move up and draw in our eyes. So starting on the top right hand side, leaving a small gap, we're going to curve this line in, out, and then down towards the bottom. And then we're going to mirror this. So moving over on the left, lining that up at roughly the same height, we're going to curve this in, out, and then bringing that back down again. Now from here on the bottom, we're going to bring this line out on a diagonal, curving this line around and then up. And now let's close this off. So on the left hand side, on the top, we're going to curve this line down, blending that in on the bottom. And then we're going to move over on the right, replicating that. Now let's draw in the lens of the eye. So coming over towards the middle, we're going to curve this line up and then out on the side. And now closing that off on the bottom, we're going to curve this line out and then back up towards that top corner. Now we're going to draw in the web patterns. In the middle of both eyes, we're going to draw in a sideways oval. Moving in towards the middle now, we're going to draw in a curved line that arches up towards the top. And then we'll do the same thing as we move over on the right. Now from here in the middle, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out towards our eyes on both sides. On the top, we're going to curve this line over. Let's leave another gap now, moving up on the top, bringing this line straight up towards the middle. Just leaving a gap. On the bottom, again, we're going to curve this line out towards our eyes. Now on the side, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out, ending this so it's roughly at the same height on a diagonal. And then we're going to move across and replicate that again, ending that at the same height. Now moving beside that, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes down towards our eye on the side. And then we're going to connect this together on the top, curving this line over. Now let's replicate this pattern. So moving up, leaving a gap, we're going to draw in 2 straight lines that come up towards the top. We're going to come over on the right, drawing again 2 more diagonal lines following that pattern. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left. Now that we've drawn those, we're going to connect those together again. So bringing that out towards our eye. Moving it back up from the top, curving this around and then down. Now let's move down towards the middle. So leaving a small gap here, we're just going to draw in a curved line from left to right. We're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out on the left as well as on the right. And then on both sides, we're just going to draw in a small diagonal line that comes in towards the middle. And then now from here again, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes down, ending that at the same height as the line on our inside. Let's draw in a diagonal line that comes out towards our eyes. And then we're going to close off the middle by curving this line over and then down on the right. Let's leave another gap now. So we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out again. We'll do the same thing on the left. Moving further across, again, we're going to bring this diagonal line out. Now we're going to bring this diagonal line out towards our eye. We're going to connect this line together now, drawing in a curved line from left to right, bringing that down on the right. And now leaving another gap on the bottom, we're just going to bring this diagonal line out, as well as on the left. Let's connect this together now. So on the top, we're going to curve this line over towards the right. Moving in on the bottom, we're going to replicate that, curving this line over and across on the right. Now we're going to come underneath our eye, drawing in another diagonal line that comes out. And we'll do the same thing on the left. And then we're just going to connect this together by arching this line over. Let's move down again, leaving a gap, curving this line out, ending that so it's at the same height. And then now from here, we're just going to draw in another diagonal line that comes down towards the side. Now we're going to finish up the web pattern on both sides. So as we come across from the eye, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes down, ending this at the same height. And then we're going to move down, leaving a gap starting at the same height here, bringing this diagonal line out towards the side. Now from here on the top of our eye, we're going to bring this diagonal line out. And then we're going to connect this together by curving this line down from the top in towards the bottom. Let's leave another gap now. Moving down, we're going to curve this line in, connecting that on our bottom line. And then again, we're just going to bring another diagonal line that comes out towards the side. Let's move in towards the side of our eye now. We're going to draw in a small triangle on the side of our eye. Moving up above that, we're going to bring this diagonal line down, ending that at the same height. From here, we're going to bring in a straight line that comes up towards the top. And then moving across, we're going to bring this line down, ending that at the same height, leaving a gap. And then now from here, we're just going to bring this line out on a diagonal, following this line on the bottom. Now that we've finished drawing in the webs, we're just going to move in and draw in the Spider-Man symbol, and then we are done. So in the middle here, for the top of the head, we're just going to curve this line around and then in. For the legs on the side now, we're going to curve this line out, bringing that back in on a diagonal. And we'll do the same thing on the left, and we're just going to end that at exactly the same height. From that point now, we're going to curve this line back in towards the middle. Again, from that point, we're going to curve this line out, bringing this further up towards the side. And then again from here, from the point on the top, we're just going to curve this line around and then in towards the center. Now from here, let's move underneath. So lining this up at the same height on the bottom. For the bottom of the body, we're going to curve this line around and then back up. For the legs on the bottom, in the corner, we're going to bring this line out and then in. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. And then now from that point on the bottom, we're going to bring this line out and then back in towards the middle. From that point again on the inside, we're going to bring this line out, bringing that further down towards the bottom. And then from that point again, we're just going to bring this line out and then back in the corner. And that is it. That's how you draw a Squishmallow Spider-Man. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.